Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In this tutorial, we're going to show you how to install Beautiful Soup and set up in Visual Studio Code Beautiful Soup in VS Code. Beautiful Soup is a powerful library used for web scraping and parsing HTML or XML data. So to begin, you need to have VS Code onto your device or Visual Studio Code. So if you haven't installed it yet, just head on to their official website, which is code.visualstudio.com. So these are their official website, and just go ahead and follow the installation instruction for your operating system. Once installed, just launch VS Code onto your device. Right after, if you haven't installed Python, download it here onto their official website, which is python.org/downloads. During installation, make sure to check the box that says Add Python to Path and just follow the setup instructions for that. To verify if you have installed it correctly, just head on to your Visual Studio Code and let's use its terminal in here. So click onto the three dots, click on Terminal and New Terminal here. So these are the following commands that we need to go ahead and paste here onto the terminal to check if we have installed Python and pip. So pip would be automatically installed together with your Python. So as you can see, we have these versions in here installed and we have verified that we have correctly installed it onto our system. Now, to go ahead and set up our development environment, just go ahead and open the folder where you want to use Beautiful Soup. So I have opened out test here, but if you haven't, onto your end, click onto file and then open a folder, choosing the folder where you want to add Beautiful Soup. So as you can see, we're currently already under task, and we're going to go ahead and create a virtual environment. So I have one already in here, which is my env in here. But if you haven't, onto your end, just do the same thing of typing in this line, python-venv, and add in the file name of your virtual environment. So I have added that already, and it will create also a folder automatically onto your end if you haven't. So to activate that virtual environment, this is the line for that. Make sure to add in or replace this with the virtual name of your environment. So to see if it has been working already or if you're in the virtual environment already, you should be able to see this green line here onto the first part of your path. So we have activated that successfully. We'll just need to install Beautiful Soup using pip, and this is the line code for that. Click onto enter and just wait for the installation to be finished. So as you can see, it has been downloading already, and the duration for this might depend onto your system. So we have successfully installed it already. You should be able to see the message that has been successfully installed, and we should also install request libraries often used with Beautiful Soup for fetching web pages. So just go ahead and type in this line, pip install request, click onto enter and wait for that one to be finished. So it has been downloading still here. So just wait for that. And you should be able to see the same message that has been successfully installed already onto your system. Now we're going to go ahead and verify the installation. We're going to create a new Python file in here, which we will name as test beautiful soup. So to create a new file, just head over here onto your folder, click onto this for a new file, and we'll add in a file name for that. So we're going to use the file name, which is this, and just make sure to add .py onto its last part so that it would be verified as a Python file. Click onto enter, and I have here a sample code already. We'll just have to paste it here. So we're going to save that. And right after, we're going to run this here on the terminal. And to run a Python file using terminal, just add in Python and the name of the file and click onto enter. So this should go ahead and print in here the title of the web page here onto the terminal. And there you have it. You have successfully installed Beautiful Soup and set it up in Visual Studio Code. You can now go ahead and start using Beautiful Soup for web scraping and HTML or XML parsing. If you found this tutorial helpful, then don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.